Inside every grape lies a tiny secret once overlooked. Now begins a remarkable journey to become one of nature's most precious oils, nourishing your kitchen and your skin across the rolling vineyards of Europe, California, and South Africa. Millions of tons of grapes flourish under the sun. Generations of growers harvest them, unaware that the real treasure often lies within. After the grapes are crushed for wine and juice, the seeds that remain, once discarded as waste, are gathered by the tons. A second life begins, transforming what was once forgotten into something of value. Back at the processing plants, these seeds are washed clean. Streams of fresh water remove pulp, skins, and stems, leaving behind pure, shining grape seeds ready for the next step. Drying preserves quality. Warm, circulating air carefully reduces moisture, preventing spoilage and locking in the natural nutrients hidden within each seed. Some producers choose tradition, cold pressing. Here, ancient methods meet modern machines, gently pressing the seeds to release golden oil, naturally rich in antioxidants and vitamin E. Others embrace innovation. Solvent extraction unlocks every last drop of oil, ensuring nothing goes to waste, a marriage of efficiency and modern science. The fresh oil carries tiny particles and sediments. Layer after layer of natural filters purify the liquid, revealing a clear, light green oil of remarkable purity. At every stage, samples are tested by experts. Acidity, color, taste, and nutrient content are measured with care, guaranteeing the oil meets the highest standards for food and skincare. For the kitchen, this golden oil is bottled and sealed, preserving its mild flavor and high smoke point, perfect for dressings, sautéing, and roasting for beauty. It's refined and bottled into delicate vials, added to serums, creams, and hair oils, delivering lightweight moisture and a natural glow. In the chef's hands, grapeseed oil becomes a secret ingredient, drizzled over salads, brushed on bread, or sizzling in a pan, adding lightness without overpowering the dish. On the skin, it feels like silk. Rich in antioxidants, it helps restore softness, soothe irritation, and protect, leaving skin radiant, without any greasy feel. This process is more than production, it's sustainability in action, transforming byproducts into valuable oil, supporting local economies, and helping reduce agricultural waste. From vineyard co-ops to modern factories, millions of liters travel worldwide, reaching kitchens, spas, and beauty counters in over 100 countries. Every drop of grapeseed oil carries a story of sunlit vineyards, careful craftsmanship, and the power to nourish inside and out. A quiet transformation, turning nature's simplest gift into something extraordinary.